it's Niki from ayarnyrobin. I just wanted to make a little tutorial this afternoon about the Foundation Double Crochet Stitch, also known as the Foundation Single Crochet Stitch if you use an American terminology. And I wanted to make a tutorial because it's a stitch that I use for the neck straps on all the bib patterns that I make. So I just wanted to jump on and show you how to do it. So to start with, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my hook in the stitch that I'm already in, and I'm just going to yarn over and pull up 2 loops. Now if I was going to be doing a normal double crochet stitch, I'd just be yarning over and I'd be pulling through these 2 loops on my hook. But instead, for the Foundation Double Crochet Stitch, I'm just going to yarn over and pull through the first loop on my hook. So that leaves me with 2 loops on my hook. And if we just look, if I just pull this over, what that's done is it's created, can you see that V shape? Let me just see if I can hold that steady for you. Can you see this V shape here? And that's created the space where we will be completing our next Foundation Double Crochet Stitch. So keep your eye on that space. To finish it, we're just going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. And then to complete the second Foundation Double Crochet Stitch, we're going to go into that space that was created, that stitch there, that was created by just pulling through that first loop on the hook. So to complete the second one, yarn over, pull through, so there are 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and you can see that's going to create the space where we will do our next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Second Foundation Crochet Stitch is completed. So to complete the third, insert the hook in the stitch previously made, yarn over, pull through, so there's 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the second loop. Foundation Double Crochet Stitch made. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the second loop. And can you see we're just kind of working in the stitch that it creates, that it leaves behind. So we're just going in that space just there. Pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the second loop. And what it gives is it gives this nice flat stitch. Can you see that there? It gives this nice flat stitch, and it's got a little bit of give to it, so it's nice to go around baby's neck. It's not stretchy, but it is. It's got a little bit more give than just doing your normal chain stitch. So that's the Foundation Double Crochet Stitch. I hope you've liked this tutorial. I hope that it's helped. If you do make any of my patterns, I would really love you to tag me at ayarnyrobin, because I really enjoy seeing what you make, and I'd love to be able to share what you make as well.